So finally, one of the most secure custom ROMs is now updated to the latest Android 16. Android 16 is here in a stable stage from past few weeks now, and some custom ROMs are adapting to Android 16. Many of the custom ROMs are giving you the Android 16, but the reality is the new quick settings panel and some things they are getting from that QPR update, so that is not stable. But GrapheneOS is here. Let's have a quick look. First of all, take a look at this lock your bootloader option. The GrapheneOS custom ROM brings you the ability to lock your bootloader after installing it on the supported Google Pixel devices. Secondly, with the latest Android 16 update, you will see the option named as contact storage. It is a basic feature, but it was not there previously in GrapheneOS. Third, we have Sandboxed Google Play option available in GrapheneOS, which is available to GrapheneOS. It's not available in many other custom ROMs. What this does is you can install Google Play Store, Google Play services separately in a sandbox environment. So the main advantages includes better battery backup, no background drainage of battery, of course. Google Play services drains a lot of battery, also track you everywhere. You can simply bypass all of those things by installing GrapheneOS. We also have the new mods option, which is actually an upgraded version of Do Not Disturb, which is already available in Android from a long time, but with the latest update, it's now replaced with this mods option. If you move on to the battery section, you will notice option named as charging optimization, which is a very useful thing for some of the users, not for everyone, of course. So you can limit your charging to 80%. If you want to last your phone's battery longer, it's totally up to you. With the latest Android 16, we have a language regional preferences option available, which was there previously too in Android from a long time, but things have been tweaked a little bit because this is a new change, so just wanted to let you know. With the latest Android 16, we have the option named as apps list. So whenever you hold on the home screen, you will see the option named as apps list. Personally speaking, I still don't know what that feature does, but it is here, so just wanted to let you know. Although launcher does not have any tweaks because GrapheneOS is very simple, clean, minimal custom ROM without any single feature, but some features are quite practical. Even if you take a look at the wallpapers and style, simple, no new UI is implemented. That will be implemented with the QPR update in GrapheneOS and also in Lineage OS 2. If you want to check it out, the good thing about this custom ROM, this GrapheneOS, is that it brings you the support for OTA updates. So you can simply install one update and even you can lock bootloaders, so you can use it as a normal daily driver device, and that seems to be quite exciting. Of course, Google Pixel devices only. One thing which is a part of the latest Android 16, it was there with Android 15's QPR update also, but with Android 16 stable version, we have this Linux terminal available. It was not there previously, and if you have ever used GrapheneOS or if you love to use GrapheneOS, then you can try out this Linux terminal now. This is available in Android, and if you enable developer options on a device, then you will find this option in the system settings, not by default available. If we move on to the security and privacy options, you have the option named as Duress password. What this does is, if you fill Duress password, it will simply wipe every data on your device. It will power off the device and it will permanently delete all the eSIMs and so on. It might be useful in some scenarios, not everywhere or not every time. If you move on to one more thing, which is a part of the latest Android, is app archive. So open any app info and you will see the option named as app archive to save storage. Right now in the latest Android devices, Android versions, I guess it's not needed because many devices are coming with 256 GB of storage at least. So I guess it's not required, but it is here. It also brings you the support for contact scope or media scopes. Basically, it simply make the app assume that it has that permission despite not actually having it. It might be a very useful thing. It is a very useful thing, and you can use it on a device. Even the GrapheneOS supports many security and privacy features. So if you move on to some other options like exploit protection, we have the option named as auto reboot. It will automatically reboot the device if it hasn't been unlocked for a specific period of time. Also the option for customizing the USB-C port. As you can see, many options are available here for tweaking. So things are quite actually exciting. Go and install this thing on a supported Pixel devices in case you want to. This is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.